Today, I'll walk you through how to sign out of the Google Maps app, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to log out of Google Maps so you can ensure your privacy and manage your account effectively. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. If you're using a desktop, simply launch the application as you normally would. If you're on a mobile device, tap the icon to open it. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see your profile picture or initials depending on how you set it up. Click on your profile icon. This is similar to how you would access your settings in other applications. It's your gateway to account management. After clicking on your profile, a menu will appear. In this menu, you will find the option to sign out. Click on Sign Out. This is a straightforward process, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just like closing a door behind you when you leave a room, signing out ensures that your information is secure. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of the Google Maps app. If you ever need to log back in, simply repeat the process and select your account again. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.